This is the Eggtimer Ion. This is a DIY altimeter kit for Rocketry, low to high power. This is a very small unit that you have to solder yourself, front and back. I'm going to put it under the magnifier so we can see a little closer view of some of these pieces, and then even closer under that big magnifier. So these are all SMT components. See if I can get that to focus a little bit. Resistors, capacitors, diode, and whatnot that you have to solder yourself. It helps to have a light and a magnifier because these pieces are tiny. And don't do it when you have allergies and you're going to sneeze. Don't ask me how I know that. This device is Wi-Fi enabled. You assemble the Wi-Fi card right there. It takes a LiPo battery, has a buzzer. You solder everything together. It takes a couple of hours if you are new to this. If you are experienced, 45 minutes, you could have this done. We're going to go ahead and bench test this in a vacuum jar to make sure that it's working, and we'll show the functionality of that. But this, I think I paid $16 on sale. Normally $20. You can't beat the price. Again, you just have to assemble it yourself, but that's actually a fun skill to learn as is. So anyway, let's get to the bench test. Today I assembled this Eggtimer Ion Altimeter. It is just an altimeter. It is not a single or dual deployment. This would be similar to a SD's altimeter or a Jolly Logic altimeter 3. Because this one has Wi-Fi capability and can connect to my phone. We're going to go ahead and altitude test it. We have it in a jar that has a hole in the end. We're going to run a vacuum on it. That little beeping tells me that it's armed. Now it will beep out our altitude. Maybe. There we go. $3,000. $300. $550. $3,359 feet.